So like the crazy thing for me is nothing's really changed, but this problem's kind of come out of nowhere. So what I'm going to do is install this heat shield by Mr. Gasket and see if that helps the fuel bowling in the carburetor. We're going to pop his carburetor off and find out. Alright, got the holly off. I got to pull them 3 studs out right there and install one of them. Old studs out, new studs in. Kit installs in this order. Gasket, the heat shield, another gasket, aluminum plate. How did I mess that up twice in a row? Aluminum plate. Another gasket. Hold up, something right here. The other gasket, another aluminum plate, and then the last gasket. Okay, now let's see how the carburetor fits. And of course the studs I bought are too long. So I don't know what to do from here. Let's see what I can figure out.